Hi guys, here I have a new product from Sense Home Security Kit. As you can take a close look. So I'm going to share with you guys, and here is the packaging showing full image of this product with all its parts included. And so I'm gonna quickly unbox the product to see what are the parts it's included. So now here is the main base station, which is one piece. So here I put it here. As you can take a close look, it has this power lead to insert here, and this is the bottom part, which has their apps to scan, base station scanning. So this is the all over base station, which has this sound box also, and here you go, it's one item. And we have some warranty card. So here is this warranty card. The house is under protection, and these are its quick start guide, which has download the Sense Home Security app by scanning the QR code or searching, and then create an account with Home Security app using a valid email address. Then power on the base station and ensure that both the Wi-Fi network and your phone's Bluetooth are turned on. Then add the base station by following the instructions. Add additional devices, customer service info number, and the website is www.xsense.com. Please note that any material related to the Home Security Kit, including, may not be up to date when received. Please find our latest version on that website. So here's the app start guide, and here it has thank you note from them and the extended warranty after sales service info. And here is the 60 days money back guarantee and 18 months worry-free warranty. So here you go, and this is their Sense Home Security Kit user manual. And here you go, and it has motion sensor of 2 items. Here it is. This is the motion sensor, and it's as you can see, here is the open arrow to open this in order to fix, and we can open this too. Here you can see we can insert this battery. It has batteries here too with the package to insert it here, and here's the batteries. Here's the motion sensor of 2. Here's another one, as you can see, and these are entry sensor. Here is entry sensor. This is 2-part. Here it is, and here is open too. You can always open and set it in. And this has magnetic. Here is written magnet, so it's like a little bit magnetic right here. So that is quite part, and here you go. So here's one part, one of them, 2 of them, and here is the light to blink. As you can see, it has open too, it has magnet too. These are 4 items. These are 4 items to set 4 corner of your house or desired space you want to. As you can see, these sensors are sticking together because they are magnet. So I'm gonna put this away so it could be separated. So now here it is. These are the 4 items. These are the 2 items. This is the base station. Here is the warranty book and quick guide. And here is some sticky to stick, and here is a power adapter to connect it, and power lead it here as I showed you to power it on. And here's some more screws if you want to attach it somewhere with somewhere on the wall or ceiling. Here's those. And here is another battery of 3, so which is also got a 6 battery for each of this to insert. And here is the remote, and it has this buttons as well as and home buttons, all this. So that's pretty much is, these are the products and all these parts of these products included in the package. So, and here's some stickies also right here, and it says the base station is the hub of your Excen's home security system. It connects your devices to the Excen's home security app through which you can control, and these are the motion sensor alerts you to a movement within the detection area of your home. And these are the entry sensors to alert you when a door or window in your home is open, and the remote control to operate between the hallway, home, away, and disarm modes without directly operating on your device. Additionally, you can press the SOS buttons to call for help in an emergency. If something happened, God forbid, we can always press this button and ask for emergency help. And here pretty much is, so in order to set up the connection, here's another features of this item is quick and easy network connection with a wide wireless range of 1.25 miles, and motion sensor is 39-foot detection coverage, a 110-degree detection angle, and adjustable sensor sensitivity levels enable a tailored safety setup for your specific needs. And the entry sensor sends instant notifications if a door or window is broken into, and is equipped with a 3-year battery line. So remote control is one button to disarm your home security system. A compact and portable design makes it easy for visitors and the elderly. So that's pretty much is of the feature of this product. So now, okay guys, so here is all the parts of this product, and here all these parts I already explained what are the features of them and how they work. So this pretty much is, there's the quick guard, we have the battery to insert in here, the sensors, so these are the magnetic entry sensor, motion sensors, and warning stickers. These are the warning stickers, and accessory box, remote control we have here, and we have user manual, which is quick guide, and warranty card right here. Extended warranty to would be found when we visit to their website, and it also has apps to control. This is the base station, and as you see here, I connected this base station with the power. Here is the power wire. So I connected to the power outlet. So once I connected it to the power outlet, it becomes alive or on. So when it's on, then we would see here is the green light was on. So that means the base station is on. So now I download the app by going to the app store and or scanning this scanning this QR here. So after I scan this, so I found this accents. So now when I go there, and it would ask me to connect with the with the Wi-Fi. So once I register this device, this base station, through the Bluetooth with my home Wi-Fi, then it would ask me to name the device, and there's another QR code over here under the base station to scan it here again. So once we scan it or put this serial number right here, so then you would find my base station, and then the final look would be here, which is my devices, and that would be this device model number would be online. As you see here, I have this phone right here, which is pretty much this. So if you can take a close look, this is the apps where it's saying where you want to put your sensors around the house. So here I already put in my master bedroom, and I named it in master bedroom. If you want to add more rooms, you can also do so. And here is it. This is the home. This is the mode button, which is disarm right now because I put it in a disarm mode. If you want to, you can always set this up and connect it and then arms it, so then it would be arm mode. So right now I did not add my sensor, that's why it's disarm mode. So when you are home, you can always turn this on, and then when you are not home, you are going away, so then you can always set it up. So when you set it up, then it would ask you to if you see in the settings, there is a home mode and away mode. So you can always choose the away mode, and then you can choose the exit delay, like what time you are leaving home, and it would activate by according to the app's timing and scheduling. And when you are home and you don't want the sensor to be on, so you can always turn it off. So that's pretty much it. And here is the history. You can always go back to this is history. So I don't have any history right now. These are the account info. Manage my homes, works with Amazon Alexa. You can always connect it to the Amazon Alexa. Google Assistant, alarm sound right here, help and feedback about accents. So here, manage my home. I named my home here, and invited user, no invited home. So you can always do so. This is a great apps pretty much. So and here is it, and this is the pretty much LED brightness, enable LED Wi-Fi network. As you see, here is the Wi-Fi network is connected, and device information, device sharing. If you want to share this device to your friends or family, you can always do so. And here is the instruction how to do so, and here it's gonna ask you some access code for in order to share with somebody else. And this is pretty much is. So I hope you guys understand like how this accents sensor kit works. So, and this is the base station. When now this is now here is you see it's light blue color light, so which means it's already connected to the Wi-Fi. So when it's red, then this light is red, and then it means it's triggered to the alarm. And then green is connecting to Wi-Fi, so when it turns blue, it means it's already connected to Wi-Fi. Yellow means it's not connected to Wi-Fi. So here is it, and this is the base station model number SBS10, and it has maximum connected devices up to 32 sensors and 6 remote controls. As you can see here, we have a remote control to operate it with remote, and this is the sign. You see, here is the home button, here's the SOS button, is the emergency button. If in case something happened, you can always call SOS button to the emergency helpline, and it would through the call to the emergency helpline to send you the help. So that's another great feature of this product, which I really like. So and it has a power supply of AC 110 to 120 volts, 60 Hz. Radio signal range is up to 1.25 mile, 2000 m without obstruction. Operating temperature range is 32 to 104 degree Fahrenheit or 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. Operating humidity is up to 75%, so which is a really great power of this sensor. And it also has these batteries included to insert in here in order to use. And here in our quick guide, there's also some instruction how to install it, motion sensor. And here is in a quick guide, there's some pictures of how you can insert in your home corners and how it's gonna work. So this is pretty much this is the instruction from how you're gonna insert it. So it's in the corner ceiling, so next to the windows or doors. So it's pretty much gonna, so do not put it on the heat, that's a warning too. So it's pretty much gonna work real good. So, and there's some tapes too. Set it on the ceiling or wherever you want to. And here's some instructions how it's gonna insert these sensors. Motion sensor would insert to your windows or doors. So here's the door or here's the window picture, as you see. So this is that one. So as you see, these are the magnetic one. So it's gonna, alarm us if something happened. And this is another button to test, and here the light gonna blink. So that's pretty much is. Once again, the specification of you is model number SE. This model number, sensor model number is SES01. Detection threshold 1 inch, 2.5 centimeter. Battery is CR123A. Operating temperature range is 32 to 104 degree Fahrenheit or 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. Operating humidity is up to 75%. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.